Introduction. Welcome to our wild African safari adventure in stunning 4K. In this video, we'll take you on an exhilarating journey through some of Africa's most breathtaking landscapes, showcasing the incredible wildlife that calls this continent home. From the majestic elephants roaming the savannah to the elusive leopards hiding in the trees, you'll witness the beauty and diversity of African wildlife like never before. Get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and sounds of nature as we explore lush jungles, vast plains, and serene waterholes. This adventure promises to be both engaging and informative, highlighting the thrill of a safari experience. So buckle up and prepare to discover the wonders of the wild that await you in this unforgettable journey. The African landscape. As we embark on our safari adventure, let's explore the breathtaking landscapes that make African safaris truly unique. From the vast golden savannas teeming with life to the arid deserts that challenge survival, each terrain tells a story of resilience and beauty. The lush wetlands, rich with biodiversity, serve as vital habitats for countless species, providing essential resources for both flora and fauna. These ecosystems are not just picturesque. They play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. With stunning 4K visuals, we'll showcase the vibrant colors and textures of these landscapes, allowing you to feel as if you're right there with us. Join us as we celebrate the incredible diversity of the African landscape and its significance to wildlife conservation. Wildlife encounters. Get ready to delve into the incredible wildlife that makes an African safari an unforgettable experience. Picture iconic animals like the majestic lions, powerful elephants, and graceful giraffes roaming freely in their natural habitat. Each species has its own unique behaviors and characteristics. For instance, lions exhibit fascinating social structures within their prides, while elephants display remarkable intelligence and emotional depth. Giraffes, with their long necks, elegantly browse treetops, showcasing their unique adaptations. The thrill of witnessing these magnificent creatures up close is unparalleled, especially when captured in stunning 4K visuals that bring every detail to life. As we observe these animals in their element, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for their roles in the ecosystem and the importance of wildlife conservation. Join us for this exhilarating journey into the heart of Africa. Cultural experiences. In addition to the breathtaking wildlife, African safaris offer rich cultural experiences that connect you with the continent's indigenous tribes and their vibrant traditions. From the Maasai warriors of Kenya to the Himba people of Namibia, each community has unique customs, art, and stories that reflect their deep connection to the land. Cultural preservation is vital in safari tourism, as it fosters respect for local heritage while providing economic opportunities for these communities. Through engaging visuals, we'll showcase meaningful interactions with local people, allowing you to witness traditional dances, crafts, and daily life. These experiences not only enrich your safari adventure, but also highlight the importance of supporting sustainable tourism that honors and preserves the diverse cultures of Africa. Join us as we celebrate the beautiful tapestry of life that exists alongside the wild. Tips for safari goers. Planning your own safari adventure? Here are some practical tips to ensure an unforgettable experience. First, the best times to visit for optimal wildlife viewing are during the dry season, typically from June to October, when animals gather around water sources. When packing, opt for lightweight, breathable clothing in neutral colors to blend in with the environment. And don't forget essentials like binoculars, a good camera, and sunscreen. Safety is paramount, so always follow your guide's instructions and maintain a respectful distance from wildlife to avoid disturbing their natural behaviors. Additionally, be mindful of your surroundings and avoid sudden movements. By preparing thoughtfully and respecting the wildlife, you'll enhance your safari experience and create lasting memories in the heart of Africa's stunning landscapes. Happy adventuring. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the wild African safari adventure, let's take a moment to reflect on the beauty of the African landscape and the incredible wildlife that inhabits it. From the vast savannas to the lush wetlands, each ecosystem plays a vital role in supporting diverse species. We hope this video has inspired you to consider an African safari for your next adventure, where you can witness these breathtaking sights and experiences firsthand. If you enjoyed this journey with us, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow adventure seekers. Your support helps us create more engaging content that celebrates the wonders of nature and the importance of wildlife conservation. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more adventures together.